In today's video we are pitting the NexiGo TriVision Ultra against the Hisense Laser Mini Projector C2 to see which portable powerhouse truly deserves your screen time. If you want to know the difference in the prices of these projectors, make sure to check the link in the description below. The NexiGo brings a clever hidden Fire TV slot for cable-free streaming, while the Hisense counters with a gimbal design that rotates 360 degrees and tilts 135 degrees for ceiling or wall projection. NexiGo gamers will love the 4 milliseconds input lag for competitive play, yet Hisense offers a smoother 240 Hz refresh rate, which benefits fast action scenes differently. Brightness-wise, the NexiGo hits 2600 lumens, outperforming the Hisense 2000 ANSI lumens, making the NexiGo better for rooms with ambient light. However, the Hisense delivers a superior 1700:1 native contrast compared to NexiGo's dynamic 100:000:1 ratio, meaning deeper blacks out of the box without processing. Eye comfort differs too, with NexiGo eliminating laser speckle to reduce fatigue during long movies, while Hisense includes intelligent eye protection that dims the beam when someone walks nearby. Both support Dolby Vision and cover 110% of BT 2020 color gamut, but NexiGo adds HDR10 Plus and active 3D support, whereas Hisense includes a 4K upscaler for older content. Sound-wise, NexiGo packs 30W cinematic speakers, while Hisense relies on JBL tuning, which sounds crisp but less room-filling. After testing both, the NexiGo TriVision Ultra wins for gamers and home cinema fans who want higher brightness, lower latency, and no eye strain, but the Hisense C2 takes the crown for flexible placement and native contrast purists. Whichever you choose, the link in the description has the best price available right now, so click before stock runs out.